Hello and welcome to Oil and Gas IQ Newsstream. This week we're giving a brief overview for our top predictions for the FPSO market after the FPSO summit here in London. Over 150 oil and gas professionals working in floating, production, storage and offloading met for networking opportunities, talks and workshops. Now here are our 5 top takeaways. Number 1. Despite problems between many powerful nations such as the US and China, oil demands will continue to grow. As sanctions affect China, Venezuela and Iran, the US shows no sign of loosening its current grip on global oil. According to Rystad, $70 barrels are the new 100, and with the average production time of FPSOs now 10 months lower than 4 years ago, the time is ripe for new FPSOs on the order book. Number 2. Drilling activity may affect the lease market. With drilling activity spending recently declining, but a growth in offshore investments set to grow by 4%, the offshore leasing market may grow to fill the gap, soaking up drilling construction budgets that may have been left adrift. Number 3. The next 3 years will see the greatest number of FPSO sanctions in any time period. Between 2019 and the end of 2022, 33 FPSO vessels are due to be sanctioned. Since the oil crash of 2014, demand for FPSOs has truly become a worldwide phenomenon. The Americas are responsible for the largest number of sanctions with 15, followed by Asia with 6, Europe and Africa each with 5, and 2 more in Australasia. Number 4. There will be a spike in large-scale projects in 2019. In 2018, 88 projects were sanctioned, and the same number are scheduled for 2020. However, over the next 10 months, there are 122, 17 of which are floating solutions, and 105 are offshore field projects. Number 5. The flood of FPSOs may cause bidding issues. A new sort of development strategy may be needed as firms struggle to find bidders. With new order books potentially filling up before Q3, greater global FPSO production capabilities will need to develop in order to accommodate the sheer volume of work to be done. Standardization across all companies would help to reduce capex costs and could improve the industry's efficiency. That's all from Newsstream this week. For more on FPSO, stay tuned for our new white paper, and for more from Oil and Gas IQ, why not register for our free online event, OPEX in Oil and Gas Online 2019, coming March 19th. Thanks for watching.